now to Best Buy to hopefully purchase a laptop. I'm not sure. I'll probably just end up looking at it again because I'm a looker. But I need to get a new laptop, not just for editing and stuff, but I need a laptop. Like, I have a laptop right now, but it completely sucks, and I'm probably just gonna end up giving it to somebody in my family. I don't know who, but somebody. Probably not the best thing to do right now. Probably not the best thing to go out to a Best Buy in this weather, but I'm bored. I've got nothing better to do. I don't know what's going on tonight. I don't have plans as of right now. So, yeah. I'm gonna head out there in this crap. Hopefully I make it one piece. People want to take their sweet time. I mean, seriously, let's go, people. I've got road rage, horrible road rage, so, and I can't stand being behind slow people. I really, truly can't. So jealous because I heard that one of my friends, her son is in AAU, and he's a tournament, I guess, down in Boston. So they're driving down tonight, and then I think tonight they're going to a Celtics game, Celtics versus Suns. And I actually wanted to go to this game, but whatever. Let's keep it moving, people. Man. Seeing a red light, look how anxious I'm getting. Because I don't want to be at this red light, but can't wait for the summertime. I was just at Best Buy yesterday because I bought a new camcorder for my videos and stuff, and I hope they don't recognize me again. Or is that a good thing that they do? I'm wearing a red hat today instead of and it's a winter hat, instead of a baseball cap like I was wearing yesterday, so maybe they won't recognize me. I don't know. But they're gonna think I look ridiculous because today I didn't realize it, but I look like a clown. Like, I've got a flannel shirt, a nice flannel shirt on, rocking the flannels, you know. I got these weird red pants on, and then these boots. So I look like I'm going hunting, but whatever. We're in Vermont. I'm just trying to fit in. I just got a text from my older sister, Anna. She wants me to go to some place in Williston to get her a bag or something. I don't know. There's something on hold for her at some store. I don't even know what store. I just know it's near a store. So I'm gonna head out there too to see if I can pick that up for her. Even though I don't really know where I'm going and what I'm getting. But a favor's a favor, right? Yep, these are the red pants I was talking about. Anyway, deja vu to when I was here yesterday. Let's have a flashback to that moment. Do you think the 4K would be better?
Better video quality, for sure.
Better video quality?
For sure. But, I mean, are you guys, like, trying to put it up on YouTube, or...?
Yeah.
So they do have, you can have YouTube quality on YouTube, but it's still kind of new, so you wouldn't necessarily need it just yet.
Okay.
But
pretty dope camera, but I went with a different one, which had better zoom on it. Enough about yesterday. Let's get back to today.
This one. Sweet little deal.
This is one that I actually got. Alright, on to look at the iMac.
Same idea though, just to log into your app library. This one's a it looks smaller.
We gonna get it. We gonna get it. We gonna get it. So she's going out back to get the laptop for me. I actually decided I'm going to get it. YOLO. Stacks on deck. It's go time.
Do you have a phone number with us?
802.
Staff?
Yeah.
So it's just gonna ask if this information is correct.
Yep. And you're sure this is a good one?
Yes, I am positive. It's one of our best ones.
Okay.
And go ahead and remove the card. Right now, this is a computer I rarely see come back. I rarely see have issues. There's just most of the time the customers get a virus on it, or which is rare, or they just have software issues of some sort, usually due to error on the user's end. So it's rarely rare for anything to happen.
I've just never heard of that, but thanks for the heads up.
You usually can find pretty decent antivirus that won't use up anything, and as long as you don't click on any obvious virus things, you usually are alright.
Yeah.
There you go. You're all
Okay,
set.
thank you so much.
No problem. Have a great day.
You
Enjoy.
too. These lights are definitely worth the money. They are pricey, but they're worth it. Trust me. I love having them in my living room, in the game room, and in my bedroom. That one. Hi.
All set. Thank you so much.
Excellent. You're welcome. Thank you.
And drive safe out.
All right, so I just picked this puppy up. So I'm excited to get that up and running once I get home, if I get home, because this weather sucks ass. Those are new. I guess I haven't been out this way in a long time because those are new. All right, I'm at this place. I guess I'm supposed to pick something up for my sister. Hopefully they know what I'm talking about, because I don't.
Hi.
Hi. My sister sent me here to pick up. What's so special about this bag?
I guess she really liked it.
Yep.
Cute guy. You're like, I don't know.
Came all the way out here for that.
She called and she said, and I'm looking around.
Receipts in the bag.
Excellent.
Cool.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
That was easy. Home. All right, let's see if I can make it home in this crap. Yeah, so these roads suck. Oh my god. This is why I drive an SUV. This is why I have two cars. I have the SUV for this kind of crap. Miles an hour so everybody sees us. What the heck? He getting stuck behind those clouds. Hail. Fun stuff. Hail. Oh my god. Crazy.
After all that driving in that nasty weather, I finally made it home.